Hi, I'm Angie Draculich, the Editorial Director of Pharmaceutical Technology and Biopharm International, and I'm here today at Interfex 2012 live with Richard Johnson, the President of PDA, and we're here today to talk about the Glass Quality Conference that's coming up in June. Richard, I was wondering if you could tell me a little bit about why this topic was selected for a workshop.
So thank you, Angie. We did our first of these meetings last year, and that was in response to an increasing number of recalls and problems that pharmaceutical companies were having. And the response was so great that FDA and the participants asked us to do it again. So we'll be doing the second one this year. One of the key elements is we did a survey of people using pharmaceutical glass at last year's conference and shared those results. We'll be doing the same thing again this year, and this year we'll be contrasting what's changed in the year since the first survey, see if we're getting better at it or whether there are still areas we need to focus on.
Well, thanks for answering that, Richard. I was wondering if you could talk about what types of questions you're hoping will be addressed at the conference, what the audience might be looking for.
I think one of the unique things about this conference is that we structured it to cover the entire life cycle, from the production of the glass material through the formation of the glass containers, to the shipping to the pharmaceutical manufacturer, how they get handled in the pharmaceutical manufacturing facility, and then to distribution to the customer. There have been a lot of questions about what can be done to reduce the possibility of glass breakage, and what we found at last year's conference was it's impossible to just focus on one area of that life cycle. You have to look at all of the elements, and so there were quite a few improvements that were suggested, and we're curious to see how many of those have been adopted and what kind of results have changed since then.
And just a reminder, the Glass Quality Conference is taking place June 4th through 5th in Washington, D.C. Thank you so much, and thank you for your time.